Hello, today I'm in Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Press this button to enable cruise control and now accelerate to desired speed. Then press set button to set cruise control on. Now you can take foot off of the acceleration pedal and the cruise control is on. If you want to increase the speed, press res plus button. To decrease speed, press set minus button. To pause cruise control, press cancel button. And to start it over, press set minus button again. To disable this function, press this button again and cruise control is off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.